log into your Ceridian Dayforce account, simply follow these steps. First, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device, then go to the official Ceridian Dayforce login page, dayforce@cm.com. Now on the home page, click on the login button, which is usually located at the top right of the page. On the Dayforce login page, you will be prompted to enter your user ID and password. User ID, this is a unique username which could be your employee number, email, or a customer username depending on your company's setup. Then on your password, enter your password very carefully. If you are unsure of your password, you can reset it by clicking the Forgot Your Password link. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In or Login button. And after successful login, you will be directed to the Dayforce dashboard where you can manage your work schedule, payroll, benefits, and other HR related functions. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.